Clearing is an opportunity to find a course that's right for you. Whether you didn't get the grades you were hoping for or you've changed your mind about where to study, clearing is a very straightforward process. Clearing opens in July every year, and USW considers clearing applications up until the start of the autumn term. There's lots of reasons to apply through clearing. If you haven't applied to uni yet, submitted your UCAS application late, or didn't receive any offers from your choice, you can also apply through clearing if you didn't get the grades you needed for your firm and insurance choices, or you don't want to take up any of the offers made to you. If you decide to apply to USW through clearing, these are the 3 things you need to do. Number 1, give us a call and we'll normally let you know if we can make an offer immediately. Number 2, apply for student finance if you haven't already. It takes 6 weeks to process your application. Number 3, apply for accommodation. Once you've firmly accepted your offer on a full-time course, we'll be in touch with more details. There are so many courses to choose from at USW, and you can apply to any course that still has space. So if you do apply to USW through clearing, it's a quick and easy process and you'll receive lots of support. Remember, it's an opportunity to find a course that's right for you.